Well, Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is back with us, and today is probably one of our favorite days of the year.
Yes, of course.
National Cheese Lovers Day.
Yes, so who doesn't love Wisconsin cheese? So it's a great day to celebrate. No matter what kind of cheese you like, Wisconsin has it all for you.
And you have it all for us today.
Yeah, so we are so proud of the fact that Wisconsin makes over 600 different varieties, types, and styles of cheese, leading the nation in making half of all the specialty cheeses here. And here across the country, Americans eat almost 35 pounds of cheese a year. So it's a great day to celebrate all that award-winning cheese.
It sure is, and you've got quite a plate for us.
Yeah, so here in Wisconsin, we're so proud of the fact that we are the only state that have licensed cheesemakers, and we're the only state outside of Switzerland that have master cheesemakers, which means they have basically a PhD in cheesemaking.
Love it.
So we have a beautiful dessert cheese board that has nothing but the best, but 4 cheeses made by our Wisconsin master cheesemakers that have won so many awards worldwide. So I'm going to start over here. We have the Pleasant Ridge Reserve. This cheese is made in Dodgeville, Wisconsin. It actually is the most awarded cheese in America.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
It's won 3 times at the American Cheese Society. It has a nutty, rich alpine flavor. It's great for all different kinds of recipes, but especially great for cheese boards. It's made by master cheesemaker Andy Hatch.
Awesome.
So that's a great one. And then down here we have the Decatur Dairy Havarti cheese. So Steve Stetler makes this cheese in Broadhead, Wisconsin. He also is a Wisconsin master cheesemaker. He has a master in 7 different types of cheeses, but the Havarti keeps winning again and again at both World Championship and the United States. So people drive all the way out there just to have that award-winning Havarti grilled cheese sandwich.
Well known for sure, yes.
Yeah, I don't know if you've ever been there, but it's a great stop.
I have, yep.
And then, of course, we have another local favorite, 2 of the cheeses made by Hook's Cheese Factory. Tony and Julie Hook own and operate the factory over in Mineral Point. So we have a award-winning cheddar cheese, and then also the blue cheese, the Blue Paradise, which is a nice creamy cheese made with twice the amount of cream, kind of a gateway blue. So the really secret to making a beautiful cheese board is to have different varieties and different textures. So you notice we have a blue cheese, a cheddar cheese, an aged cheese, and that mellow Havarti cheese. So different textures, different shapes. And then we're pairing it with all sorts of fun, sweet desserts.
It looks so good.
So there's some brownie brittles, some chocolate-covered almonds. Fruits make a lot of great color and flavor. So raspberries, cherries, strawberries. There's some fresh mint and apricot, some cookies, chocolate-covered pretzels. So fun. And there's no hard rules, so you can make the cheese board however you like. But we're just hoping everyone will celebrate National Cheese Lovers Day.
Boy, and if you bring this to a gathering, you're probably going to be the favorite person there.
Absolutely. So it would be a whole meal in itself, but so fun, so colorful, delicious, and made with some of the best cheese in the world.
Supporting our local farmers and be able to find these locally.
Yeah,
I mean, that's huge.
you can find them locally. All you need to do is look for that Proudly Wisconsin seal. It's in 99% of all the grocery stores, so it's easy to find, and it's local here in Wisconsin.
Awesome. And where can they learn more information from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin?
You can go to wisconsincheese.com. You can find this recipe for the dessert cheese board. You can learn more about our makers. You can search by any type of cheese, what kind of pairing you'd like with it. There's just so much information on there.
Awesome. Well, Angie, thank you so much. Happy Cheese Lovers Day.
Happy Cheese Lovers Day.
We appreciate it.